friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use lists in HTML. So before starting, I would give you a Maggie recap because Maggie is prepared in 2 minutes. So I'll give you a quick recap. So in our last session, we learned how to use the center tag, and the bonus tip which I gave you taught us the how to use BINU tags, uh, change the which helps us to make the text bold, italic, or underline. So this was the sample code. Uh, with the help of the title tag, we inserted the title, and the BG color helped us to change the background of the browser. And yes, so the we use font tag, and then HR tag, and then the BIU tags, and the center tag, obviously. So let's start. So in our second session, we learned how to print a text, and then change the browser, change the background of the browser, and then font tag, and then center tag. In our last class, we learned center tag, and today we'll be learning lists in HTML. So, there are three types of lists: unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. So, uh, today we'll be learning about unordered list. So, let's start. Today we'll be learning about unordered lists. So, let's start. So, unordered list, it is a collection of related items like I tell beetroot, uh, then I tell apple. Like like they are relating, they are food items. So, and if I want to list something like for example, beetroot, cauliflower, apple, mango, banana. You can write it in you can write it in any way. It doesn't mean that you should write first beetroot and then apple and then mango and then cauliflower, something like that. No. So in this case, we use unordered list when we don't have to write any. We don't need to write. We don't need to list any text in an ordered manner, in a sequential manner. So the syntax, it is used by using the UL tag, and then it is also marked with a bullet like this one. So this is the sample code, and unordered list is also known as bulleted list because um, it is marked with a bullet. So that's why it's known. That's why it is known as bulleted lists. So this is the sample code. So hello friends, we use the center tag and the h2 tag because I only want to change the font size. I don't want to change the style and color. And then from here we'll be learning what is this. So this is the UL tag, and then I'm listing coffee, tea, milk. So I don't want that. It's not compulsory that coffee should be first, then tea, then milk. I can write first milk also. And one thing you need to remember that here you can see LI. LI stands for list. Here it stands for list and is used for printing text in a list. Like here I have written welcome to my channel. So I cannot use li here because it only works with the ul and ol tag. And yeah, so let's start. So friends, I have opened the notepad and now we'll start writing our code. We'll start with the HTML tag, and then we'll insert the head tag to write the title. In the title we'll give unordered unordered list, and then we'll close the title tag and the head tag. Now our header section of our web page is done. Now we'll start writing the body section. Then we'll insert a body tag and then bg color. Then I'll give it cyan, and then I'll close the body tag. Like I'll close the angular bracket, and then I'll give center h1. Then we'll give food items, and then we'll close the center tag and the h1 tag. We can even make it bold, italic, then we'll close it. Yes, and now we'll give br to write it in the next line. I'll give 2 lines of space, then I'll start writing the text. um, Hello friends, br, um, today we will see um, some food items. br br Then after that I'll start listing few food items. ul li, and li is also empty tag, like br and hr. Even li is an empty tag. So I'll write mm, apple, mango, beetroot. Okay, we'll just write fruits, and before that will write li, um, watermelon. The title I'll give it as fruits, because I'm just writing the fruits. Then li, um, then I'll give orange, and then I'll give grapes. banana. Yes. Now I have listed all the fruit items, fruits, and then I'll close the UL tag and then the body tag and then the HTML tag. HTML tag. Now we will save it. Unordered list. Unordered list. And then I'll go to the browser. Then I'll go to the folder. See, I made a mistake. I did not give .html extension. So we'll go back. Um, .html. Save. I have written comma. .html. Save. And I'll unordered list. Fruits. Yeah. So I have the title is in bold and in italic. And hello friends, today we will see some fruits. It is in bullets: apple, mango, watermelon, orange, grapes, banana. And the bonus tip for today is how to add a scrolling text. Like I how to add it. Like if I you have seen that when you open a web page, text scrolls. So how to add that? So let's see. I want to write. You can write it anywhere in the bottom of the web page or in the starting of the web page. I want it. I want it to add it in the starting. I mean in the bottom. So I'll write the tag for it is marquee. MARQUE. Marquee. So I'll write the text now. I'll write like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now I close the marquee tag. MARQUE. Yes, now I have closed. Now I will save it. Control S. Then I'll go to the Chrome tab and I'll refresh it. So you can see here, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. I've written bell icon. It's a mistake. So once it finishes, it will again start from here. It will continues. It will go in a loop. Now again it started. So it will be continuing. It will be like this only. If you want to add few more corrections, like um, after this I'll write HR. Then after this also I'll write HR, and I'll control S. Go to the Chrome tab, refresh. So you can see here a line is made so that it will be highlighted. So that's it for today, guys. So if you liked my video, hit the like button and share it as much as possible. And also don't forget to comment down because the comment box is for you only. And subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get the latest notifications of my videos. Thank you.